He's telling me is that A, B, C, D lie on the circle with center O. And TA is tangent to the circle A. Angle ABC is 131 and angle ADB is 20. So all of it are written. Okay. Now he needs angle ADC. ADC. He needs this angle. Okay, what should I think? As we see here that he mentioned that these 4 points are lying on this circle. That means we have a cyclic quad here. Whenever he says that, we have what? A cyclic quad here. Okay, what is the properties of cyclic quadrilateral? One of the important properties of cyclic quadrilateral that each 2 opposite sides are supplementary, means their sum equal 180. So each two opposite angles equals to 180. That means if I want angle D, so angle D and plus angle B equal 180. So angle D equal 180 minus the other one, it will be 49. So the answer here would be what? 49 degree. Okay, then angle AOC. Whenever he is asking about central angle, go and search for a circumcircle angle. Circumcircle angle. Again, whenever he's asking about a central angle, go and search for a circumcircle angle that it is sharing the same arc. So if I can see here, if I am seeing this arc, which is AC, and this is the central angle of it, I can see also that this angle is sharing the same angle, which is what? Which is 49. So what is the relation between the central angle and the circumcircle angle? The central angle is double the circumangle. So if I have the circumangle, I will take it and multiply it by 2 to find what? The central angle. Angle OAB. Where is angle OAB? This angle. How can I get this angle? Look here. We have first BAT. Angle BAT. This one, we can make it in another color. Yeah, this one. As we see here, I will draw something here. If we have a tangent at this point, this is the point of tangency, and we have a chord like this. This is the angle of tangency between the chord and the tangent, between what? The chord and the tangent. And I have an angle opposite to this chord. Opposite to this chord, for example, here. This angle what? Opposite to this chord. He's telling me that this angle of tangency included between the tangent and the chord equals to the angle of what? The circumcircle angle, which is opposite to this chord. So if I have this chord, let me erase this. If I have this chord, and this is the tangent, so this is the angle of tangency. Angle of what? Tangency. If this is the chord, where is the angle opposite to the chord? It is this. So if this is 20, this also will be 20. So this is what? 20 degree. And now for this angle. Okay? What do you think? I think that if we have a tangent like this, this tangent always is perpendicular around what? Perpendicular on the radius. So all of this 90. So if I want only this, I will do what? 90 minus 20 just came, it will be what? 70 degree. Okay. Question number 21. Simplify this. Whenever I have a root outside, I distribute it here and here. So it is 5 power 3 x4 all power 3. 5 power 3 means 125. And then x3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. So this is 125. Okay. Then the same here, 256, all of this, power 3 over 8. And then x power 256, all power 3 over 8. Okay, first of all, I can do this by the calculator, which is 256 power fraction 3 over 8 equals 8. Okay, this is the first one. And then here x. What we do with the powers like this, we multiply the powers together. So 256 multiply by 3 over 8 equals 96. So here this will be power 96. Okay. For question 22, he's telling me B is directly proportional to Q plus 2 all power 2. Okay, so first of all, I should write the proportionality statement, which is what? That B is direct proportional with Q plus 2 power 2. Then, instead of this, I'm going to write equal K, any constant, Q plus 2 power 2. Then substitute with this. So if P equal 1, here Q, and here 1 plus 2 all power 2. So 1 equal K multiply 1 plus 2, 3 power 2, 9. So from here I can see that K equal 1 over 9. Okay, then don't get confused. I have to take this and substitute here again. So it will be P equal 1 over 9 Q plus 2 all power 2. Okay, what he needs now, calculate or find B when Q equal 10. So all I have to do to remove Q and put instead of it 10. 1 over 9, 10 plus 2 power 2. Okay, then we can do it with the calculator direct also. So we have here 1 over 9, then 10 plus 2, close the bracket, power 2. It will give me what? 16. Okay, here, this is very important question. Linear programming. By drawing suitable lines and shading the unwanted region. So I am going to shade again the unwanted region. Find the region R where x greater than or equal to y greater than or equal x, 2x plus y smaller than or equals 8. Okay, let's start with the first one. X greater than or equal to. I am going to draw x equals to as if it is not inequality. Okay, then I will shade the inequality. So where is x equal to? Here, x equal to. If it is here or equal, so it will be drawn as solid line. If it is there is no or equal, means equal only or smaller only or greater only, that means what? That means a dotted line. So here I am going to, you should use use a ruler, of course, but I am doing this like a free sketch. This is x equal to, so I'm going to write here x equal to. And then direct. It is x greater than. Where is the area of x greater than? This is the area of x greater than. But he said shade the unwanted region. So I am going to do what? I am going to shade the unwanted region area. Like this. Okay? Then y greater than or equal x. Y equal x is a line with like this, which passes through 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3. Okay? And by the way, if y is equal negative x, it will be this line passing through negative 1 and 1, negative 2 and 2 and so on. Okay, so here it will be passing through what? 1 and 1, and then 2 and 2, and then 3 and 3, then 4 and 4, and so on, which is also a solid line. So the line will be like this. And then it is greater than, that means this area, but I want the unshaded, unwanted area. So I am going to shade this part. Okay, then 2x plus y smaller than 8. 2x plus y equals 8. I want to draw this line. I can isolate y and draw it like this, or I can use another method, which is what? 8 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, 4. So the x-intercept equal 4. And then 8 divided by 1, 8. So the y-intercept equals 1. 8, sorry. Okay, then draw a line between them, and this line is what? This line also is a solid line. Okay, so it should be more accurate using a ruler. Okay, then he's telling me what? Also unwanted region. So this is smaller than. So I am going to what? To shade the unwanted region, which is greater than. Okay, now we are doing what? This is the region. Okay. Find the largest value x plus 2. As we can see here, we go through what? We go first through the, we are going through what? First, we are going through the vertices. Okay, I have 3 vertices, this vertices and this vertices and this vertices. Okay, but what we have here, we have here we have to take 2 integers number as x and y. Look, we have here, this is the point, this is the point, this is not integer, because look here, it is 4.2. What is the nearest integer point? This point. So which is what? 2 and 4. So back here, x plus y, the greatest x equal 2 and the greatest y equal 4. So the greatest x plus y equals 6. Okay, for question number 24. The diagram shows a sector of a circle of radius 8 centimeter. The length of the arc BQ equal 6.4 centimeter. Find the area of this sector. What is the rule of area of sector? Theta over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. Okay. Do we have the radius? Yes, I have it with what? 8 centimeter. This is the radius. But do we have theta? No, we don't have theta, but we have another information, which is the length of the arc. So I am going to divide my workspace like this and put here what? The length of the arc equal theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. So the length is what? 6.4 equal theta, which I don't know, divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r, and then we can work direct on the calculator. We can make it by shift solve or work it by the calculator. I will send this 360 up here, so 6.4 times 360, it will be 2304 equal theta multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8, 16 pi, then divide by 16 pi, divide by 16 pi, so theta will be equal 45.8 degree. So back here to the area and put it 45.8 over 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by r, which is 8 square. So the area we also can calculate it. 25.6 centimeter square. Okay. Question number 25. He's telling me to do what? To simplify this. If I want to simplify this, I will simplify the numerator alone and the denominator alone. So first I am going to simplify the numerator alone, which is 2x squared plus x minus 5. I will do what? Two brackets, here x and here x. Then I will go to the calculator and do mod 5, 3. Then I will put what? I will put the coefficients here 2, but make sure the equation is in order from the highest power to the smallest power. So 2 equals 1 equals negative 15 equals, so here x1 will be what? 5 over 2. We do two important things when we use the calculator like this. The number we got from the calculator is the solution, the zeros, the roots, not the factoring. So if we want to put it back inside the bracket, we change the sign. So if this is plus, it will be negative 5. It was over 2. I cannot write here over 2 like this. What should I do? If there is over 2 like this, I will send it up here beside what? Beside x. So it will be what? It will be here 5 and here 2. Then press equal again to get the second answer is negative 3. So it will be written as positive 3. Then for this one, it is very clear that we are going to use the grouping way because it is 4 terms like this. Okay, so I will take this alone. Ax plus 3a, I will take a as common factor. What will remain here? X plus 3. And here I can take also negative 2b common factor. What should I do? Negative 2b common factor. What will remain here? X. Negative 6 divided by negative 2, it will be plus 3. Okay, then what we do? We will put the repeated bracket first, which is x plus 3, then put the brackets of the put what inside the bracket of what? The common factor, a minus 2b, like this. Do I have something to be crossed? Yes, this. So 2x minus 5 over a minus 2b. Okay, for question number 26. He's telling me that the third root for y squared equal the sixth root for x. And he's telling me that y equal this, find n. I will take this first here. If I want to make it to make the fraction, the power as fraction, what should I do? The number on the right divided the number on the left. Whenever but it is inside, outside, whatever. So again, whatever it is inside or outside, the number on the right divided by the number on the left. This is the number on the right, 2 over the number on the left, which is 3. So it will be 2 over 3. And now here, if there is no power, means 1. So it will be 1 over 4. 1 over 6, sorry. This will be 1 over what? 6. Okay. Now I want to isolate y because y here is isolated. So I want to isolate y. How should I isolate y? If there is a fraction here, send it to the other side by reciprocal. By what? Reciprocal. So it will be 1 over 6 multiply 3 over 2. Then 1 over 6 multiply 3 over 2, it will be 1 over 4. So x equal 1 over 4. If I want to send it back, I know that this is the number on the right and this is the number on the left. So from here, equal n x, n equal what? N equal 4. Okay, for question number 12, he's giving me this cuboid and telling me that AB equal 8, AD equals 6, DH equals 6 centimeter. Before starting the question, I want you to keep in mind that if it was a cube, that means he only needs to give me one side and the rest edges are equal. And now it is cuboid, so I can also share the lengths. If this is 8, this will be also 8, this will be also 8, and this is 6, this will be also 6, and this will be also 6. And if this is 6, so this is also will be what? 6. Okay, and this is for sure like this, 6. Okay, and this is for sure like this, what? 6. Okay, what he needs, but he calculate the angle HAF, this angle. Okay, type. I will get this outside like this. Okay, if I want to calculate this angle and it is not a right angle triangle and there is no angles, no way, I will use the cosine rule. But the cosine rule requires from me that I have to get what? The 3 sides. Let's see here. AF, for example, can I get AF? Yes, if you put it in this triangle like this will be what? 90. So how to get AF? So AF will be equal, AF will be the hypotenuse. So root 6 square plus 8 square, which is 10 centimeter. Same for HF, the upper one. HF equal, same, equal 10 centimeter. Good job. For the last one, which is AH, let's put it in a triangle and see if it is hypotenuse or leg. Here AH, it is hypotenuse, so I will put the root. Where are the two legs? 6 and 6. So 6 square plus 6 square, and do it on the calculator. Yes, like this. It will be what? Let's do it on the calculator here better. Mod 1 to send it back. We have here root 6 square plus 6 square equals 6 root 2. So I will write here what equals 6 root 2. So I have this 10 and this 10 and this 6 root 2. Now I want to find the angle. So I know that cosine theta equal this rule, which is what the two other angles, the two other sides first, the two legs of the angles, this and this, first power 2, 10 square plus 6 root 2 square, then minus 2 minus the opposite side, which is 10 power 2. So again, the two legs, this power 2 plus this power 2, minus the opposite side, 10 also power 2, divided by 2, this side 10, this side 6 root 2. And we can do all of this on the calculator as following. Then press shift cosine, or from the beginning I will say that theta equal cosine inverse for all of this bracket, and then do it on the calculator. Shift cosine, open here and write 10 power 2 plus 6 root 2 all power 2. Yes, then minus 10 power 2. All of this divided by 2 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 6 root 2. And then close the bracket like this, equals 64.8. So the answer will be 64.8. I hope you enjoyed this video, and wait for me for more videos, paper 2 and paper 4 for IGCSE. Thanks a lot.